I want to show you two of my Dinky Toys, which are Plymouth Grand Furies. One is a taxi cab and the other is a police car. I'll start with the cab. Good graphics, yellow cab on the doors. Overall paint is intact on this car. Shows the bottom. And the rear end treatment. Taxi sign on the top, front end. And next is the police car. Good graphics on the door. Flashing beacons on the top. Front end treatment plus police on the trunk. The rear end treatment. And the side view. These are both in excellent condition. My police car is in mint condition. And they're both the same model, die-cast, except, of course, one is a taxi, one is police. So, thanks for viewing.